Hello friends, welcome to Silan Software and Java 8s.com. The current version of Java is Java 25. In this video, we will see how to download and install JDK 25 in Google. If I will type JDK 25 download, then whatever the first link is coming, so I will click. You see, so this is Java official sites. So JDK 25, this version is coming to our picture. And you see, so this is JDK software for Linux operating system, for Mac operating system, and for Windows operating system. So now I will click on Windows operating system. Now you see, so three options. It is displaying x64 compressed archive, x64 installer, x64 MSI installer. So you choose x64 installer. So this is the download link. Now I will click. Now you see JDK 25 downloaded. Okay. So in this way, we downloaded JDK 25. Now I will install. I will go to JDK 25. Now I will click on S button. Then click on next option. Then next button. Now JDK 25 is installing. So very simple installation. In this way, JDK 25 you see successfully installed. Then I will click on close button. Okay. So now I will go to C drive, then program files folder. You see, after successfully installation of JDK 25, then automatically one Java folder created. Then I will click, then you see JDK 25, I will click, then I will click on bin folder, and you see this is the path. This is the path created. So whatever the JDK 25 we installed, now for this, the complete software stored in this path, that is in C drive, there is a folder program files. Inside the program files folder, there is a folder Java. Inside the Java folder, JDK 25. Inside the JDK 25, then there is a folder bin. So this is the path created. Now I will do copy. I copied. Then I will go to my computer, right click on my computer because next step is I will do or I will set the path. So right click on my computer, then go to properties, then go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables, and you see there is an option path. Then go to edit text. Okay, so I will click on path option. Okay, you see, whatever the path I copied, so that path you paste here. Now I pasted. This path I had copied, so here I pasted here. Okay, when I will click on edit text option, this interface came edit system variable. So variable name is path and there are so many paths for different softwares. So it has and some built-in paths are available. So currently after successfully installation of JDK 25, whatever the paths created, then I will paste here and I pasted here. Then click on OK button, then click on OK button, then click on OK button. Now, this is the way that how to download and install JDK 25 successfully. Now, I will go to command word for clarity. And you see, if you will type Java hyphen version, you see, so Java 25.0.1. So I hope everybody got clarity how to download and install JDK 25. Thank you.